योर लेफ्ट। मेरा सवाल अजय सर, आलिया मैम और एनटीआर सर तीनों से है। राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। क्रांतिकारियों की कुर्बानी की बात करें तो हम आम इंसान बस देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, किताबों में पढ़े हैं, लेकिन आपके लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है कि आप लोग उस कहानी के हिस्सा बने हैं और ऑन स्क्रीन कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, उस किरदार का हिस्सा हैं आप। तो हम लोग महसूस नहीं कर सकते, क्या आप लोग कुछ फील करते हैं उनकी कुर्बानी, उनकी लड़ाई ऑन स्क्रीन प्ले करते वक्त? कुछ ऐसा, तीनों बारी बारी से आंसर।
कुछ कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं जब आप बहुत कुछ महसूस करते हैं। मुझे याद है कि एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर जो मैंने प्ले किया था, जो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा महसूस किया था, उनका नाम था भगत सिंह। क्योंकि उनकी जब हम कहानियाँ सुनते थे कि वो जो फिल्म में था वो तो ठीक है, जो असली ज़िंदगी में भी वो क्या थे, उनके आई थिंक 90 से ऊपर की उम्र के भाई हमारे सेट पे आया करते थे, और वो जब कहानियाँ सुनाते थे तो आपका पूरा थॉट प्रोसेस, आपकी ऐसे लगता है कि अगर 6 महीने और शूटिंग चलती तो आप एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग बदल जाते। मतलब कि इतना फ़र्क पड़ता है कई बार।
हेलो हेलो राजमौली गारू।
एक सेकंड सर, I'll come to you.
Well, I haven't. I have done a film called Razi where I played character of an unsung hero, and I think I completely agree with Ajay sir that अगर आप 6 महीने और या 3 महीने और 1 महीने और you live that character, you really feel, because हम imagine नहीं कर सकते हैं what they have to do, what they go through, and how they put their lives at stake, for the country and for their people. हम imagine भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. So living through the beats of the character and the psychology and what they go through is just a small part of it. उन्होंने वो actually गुजरे उससे. So of course I would not say the awe and the appreciation and that the unimaginable gratitude that we feel, ये सिर्फ शब्द है जो actually गुजरते, especially the families that understand them and support them. It's another world altogether. So I think जैसे said, हम जितना भी कहे वो कम होगा.
I didn't get your name. राहुल। ब्रदर, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि पैदाशी से जब we've heard their stories, हम उनकी कहानियां सुन के बड़े हुए हैं, तो जब ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स करने के लिए when you have an opportunity, हम बस मेमोरी लेन में चले जाते हैं और बस you start remembering those stories, and somewhere you feel that you really don't need to work hard for it, क्योंकि तुम्हारी जिंदगी के ऑलरेडी वो हिस्सा बन चुके हैं. So you're playing yourself there. You're not playing some character. So these are the freedom fighters, these are the great people who've become a part of your life already. So you're playing yourself.
Alia?
So there wasn't a special effort for this. And of course, when you have a director like Rajamouli, who is ready to guide you, it becomes very easy. I'm trying here. If there's... No, but if there are any mistakes, please, I'm ready to accept it, but... Thank you.
ఆలియా.
Sorry.
రాజమౌళి గారు,
Sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు. ఎన్టీఆర్ అన్న గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ముంబైకి వచ్చినందుకు. నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, మీ అన్నగారు ఎన్టీఆర్ అన్న గారు మీకు బిగ్గెస్ట్ డిఫికల్టీ ఎప్పుడు అనిపించింది సార్ షూటింగ్లోన, అంటే ఆర్ఆర్ఆర్ షూటింగ్లోన?
Okay, his question was...
I understood the question. What was the biggest difficulty while shooting the film RRR? I've understood. Let me tell you, on set, before you answer that question, NTR and Ramcharan were always talking to each other in Telugu in front of me, and I was always looking like one tennis ball, left, right, center, waiting for somebody to translate it to me. Now I'll start translating.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
You all were
There were
always-
so many times we really felt that, we should not talk in Telugu and make sure we speak in English or Hindi so that Alia understands what we're talking about.
No, you all were purposely
Like
trying to
that,
trouble.
maybe we were rehearsing our lines or dialogues or whatever. But yeah, every part of shooting for RRR was really demanded a lot from us. As actors, as individuals, we really had to put in our heart and soul for it. Because that man there has put in that much of belief in us, so we'll have to deliver it. We had to. So every part of shooting for Triple R was really difficult, especially the action sequences were, oh my God, they were torturous.
Sir,
Thank you
yeah.
so much, sir.
Who's your left? Sir? Yeah.
Just a sec.
Sir.
He wants to complete. Just a sec.
Okay, okay.
I'll come to you.
Sir.
Please.
సార్ మేము మిస్ అవుతున్నాం సార్ రామ్ చరణ్ గారు ఇక్కడ రాలేనందుకు.
మేము కూడా చాలా మిస్ అవుతున్నాం అక్కడ దెర్ వాజ్ పూజ సడన్ పూజ ఇన్ ద వెడ్డింగ్ సెరమనీ విచ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ టు అటెండ్ టు సో we really tried until the last minute to bring him in, but you know how the pujaris are. So, yeah.
Ma'am,